I'm struck by looking back over 50 years. There are some things that are completely the same as they were back then, and of course much has changed. We go into communities and we try to work with the communities to figure out what they need. That's true 50 years ago when ACCION was first found, and that's true today. We work hard to make sure it's not one size fits all. At the same time, we now have expanded far beyond Latin America. We're in Africa, India, and China, and so we've learned a lot about different cultures, and we've learned a lot about how to tailor our products and services to really meet the local needs. The culture is very different in different places. So for example, Africa is a savings-led culture, and so there we're introducing lending. Latin America is a lending-oriented culture, and here we're working to develop savings. One major trend that we're seeing all around the world is product diversification. Where microfinance really started out and is largely today still microcredit. I think all around the world our clients are looking for, and we are working, and microfinance institutions are working to broaden the product offering. So not just the loan product, but also savings, insurance, payment mechanisms, remittances. I think there's a general trend in the industry that we recognize our clients need a much broader array of services, and we're all working hard to not only figure out how to develop those products, but how to do it in a commercially sustainable manner. Those are the challenges for the industry. My view is the industry has grown so fast in really the last 2 decades, and what's happening now is the industry is going through some growing pains and frankly dealing with some issues and sort of going through a maturing process. There are some serious issues that have been raised about over-indebtedness, bad collection practices, a lack of transparency, questions about pricing. These are serious issues, and I think the industry as a whole is coming together. I find across the industry, individual actors, individual MFIs, individual networks that used to go it alone are increasingly working together because they recognize these are industry-wide issues and they need to be addressed on an industry-wide basis. So I'm optimistic that that collaboration, which is new, will help deal with some of the real serious issues that we're facing. In the last 2 or 3 years, Chuck Waterfield in Microfinance Transparency has really developed a methodology and is now in more than 30 countries. And it is a systematic process whereby a country and all the MFIs in the country sign up to disclose prices in a consistent way and in an ongoing way. And it's very, very powerful. There are huge forces that are reshaping the industry. Obviously, technology. The growth of mobile phones has enormous potential to build a financially inclusive world. We're seeing in Kenya, we're seeing in Pakistan, we're seeing terrific innovation, and yet it's still in its early days. Really today, mobile phone technology allows payments only. We haven't quite figured out how to make a loan to someone over the phone, but we will, and it'll happen soon, and when we do, I think we can truly reach billions of people who today lack access to financial services.